It's in the Cleveland market, but it's not in the city of Cleveland, so you don't even have to worry about like all those annoying new lead paint laws you may have heard about, right? They don't have any of that crazy stuff out there in Lorain County. Very hard to find properties that exceed the 1% rule in 2025. This one does it, and guess what? I got a solid duplex deal for y'all today. Check this one out, man. This is an Elyria 411-413 9th Street. This thing's coming to you at just a buck shy of 130, baby. We are currently bringing in a solid amount of rent out of this thing, okay? Currently bringing in $1,575. Far exceeding the 1% rule. Very hard to find properties that exceed the 1% rule in 2025. This one does it, and guess what? There's still a little bit of meat left on the bone. Both of these tenants been in there a decent chunk. I think the one tenant's been in there since like 2023. The other one, I think they might be on their second year. Both of these leases run through to like around December 2025, give or take a little bit of time. And both of these folks are going to be primed for a rental increase, right? Rents have been exploding all over the country, out here in Elyria, Ohio, the Cleveland area, no different, right? So the one unit's bigger. They got another bedroom, so we will be able to get that rent. We'll probably increase that up to about $1,000, and then the second unit, we'll go ahead and increase that to about $850. They're a little closer to market rent because they only got a one-bedroom unit. Other than that, man, the thing is friggin' turnkey, ready to rock and roll. You got use and time left on the mechanicals. Everything is in tip-top shape. There's nothing to do here. It's already under professional management with HoltonWise. We're managing it. The tenants are paying rent. They're consistent. We got no issues, man. You just put up your 25% deposit, or down payment rather, and then the bank, they're going to kick in the rest, and then you start making cash flow, beating the 1% rule. We'll increase the rents. It's a nice, simple thing. It's in the Cleveland market, but it's not in the city of Cleveland, so you don't even have to worry about like all those annoying new lead paint laws you may have heard about, right? They don't have any of that crazy stuff out there in Lorain County. It's actually probably the most landlord-friendly city we're currently dealing with, right? But before you get all crazy and want to make an offer, I want to make sure I give you guys as much information and due diligence as possible. So what I want to do is before the end of this video, I'm going to take you to the Uncensored video tour that my guys took. They went literally up and down every single floor of the property, outside the property, looking at everything. I want you guys to watch all of that so you get an exact understanding of like what a turnkey rent-ready duplex in this market, in this price point, in this type of neighborhood, in this price range is all about. Age range, the whole nine, right? I want you to see all that, and then when you're done with that, if you're interested in buying it, just send an offer to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. Pre-approvals if you want to do a financed offer, proof of funds if you want to do a cash offer, and if you need lenders, I have lenders, right? We got lenders that could do everything for investors. No money down deals, hard money loans, DSCR. We got all of it here for you at HoltonWise, so just reach out to us. Stay tuned for that uncensored footage now.
411-413 9th Street.
Illegal boyfriend now.
Illegal, illegal. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The shed above it or whatever. Yeah.
We gotta make sure we get the flower box on the roof and all this fucking access.
Yeah, I'll be able to get that from her unit. And you can see, oh, it's not up there.
Oh, they might have taken it.
Huh. Alright. Now, if you want to pop open the side door for me, I'll go to the basement.
I'm not gonna lower the unit. I just gotta go over and pop it.
Yep. stucco siding.
It's just unlocked.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, she knew we were coming. I bet the
Yeah, she probably left it when she came in.
Alright.
Hey, he's in the basement right now. Like 2 seconds in the basement. Alright, we're all set.
Cool.
So we can just basically go right in. So then I assume upstairs also is unlocked.
Where's the electrical panels here? Oh, way over here in the corner.
It's like a big ass concrete platform for their laundry stuff.
Don't touch any of this shit. Fucker. Down. Up. Down.
So now basically just follow you.
Oh, okay, it's open already.
Yeah.
Hello, hon. This will be quick. I'll try not to get you. I got a cobweb on my ear. Yep.
This keep the air in a little bit.
Kitchen. Nothing back there.
Yeah, they got their own door too.
Yeah, he can answer them, but not right now, probably.
I got you. It does make like a good little cat. This door apparently came out.
Oh,
There's a swinging door.
does look like there was a door.
Right from the top. I still have the doors in there.
And obviously the door on the front porch.
Yeah, I got that one for
You
sure.
get the door in here. This the swinging door that goes on here.
Yeah.
So, she said there's something with mold going on too.
At first it was coming, the mold was coming from the basement. And that's not, I think over there. Like, road or something. It's in that bathroom.
It's in the bathroom?
Yeah.
I mean,
So it probably goes, I cleaned it off. Like after the
you know what I mean? Like, she said something about like it had an air conditioner. Air conditioner didn't exist in this house.
Alright. Well, good. I got time. I got, yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, you can make another report about it. It's been a while.
starting, like when I'm in the shower, that's
It's been almost 30 minutes.
already problems.
Yeah, it's definitely a ventilation thing. So, I mean, maybe we can investigate put in like
Put in a fan or something,
Maybe
yeah.
we're supposed to bring like a heating in the car or something. Whatever.
Well, if you report it, say if you come back and just say I have no ventilation, that will trigger.
I have-
You'll have to talk to the owner and everything.
left it on the... Perfect. So easy. This one's fairly small. Bathroom. Why am I pointed up? Bedroom here. Somebody's got a cat. Whew. Living room.
She went missing 2 weeks ago, and 6 days prior to her missing this business, it was announced in the paper she was to be married.
Uncensored must have seen that and triggered his anger. That would explain why he threw away the third victim of the wedding ring.
Kitchen. Yeah, there used to be a box out here. I am pretty sure there was a stove in here. Like 100% sure there was a stove in here. How could the stove be? For me, porch screen door. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.